Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss how to handle your worries, minimize worries and maximize happiness and peace. Being worried is a common phenomenon, but it must be kept in mind. Feeling anxious and being troubled take away your productive time. Worry situations must be felt and handled well. Causes of worries need to be realized well, and certain amount of time can be spared for the same to take necessary action, to take up necessary action to control it, but not too much time. Neither you give too much importance to worries nor spoil your days and weeks together. Neither you give too much importance to worries and spoil your days and weeks together, nor do you try to suppress forcefully to control it. You can spare some time to discuss about the worries, to write down what to do, but it's not that throughout the day you will just think of the worries and then you will spoil your whole day. So you are not alone in the society to confront worries. Worry is a common matter. But you should be one who to understand that coming out of the worries you can enjoy happiness better and live a good life. You must realize that it is necessary to come out of the worries. Do something whatever is possible, but not that always you remain around the worries, thinking about the worries. Your worries and breakdown may be contagious and may cause worries for the family, which is never desirable. The following factors may be the cause of worries in case you fail to control such negative emotions. Number one, mistakes and repeat thinking on mistakes. Mistakes and repeat thinking on mistakes. Repeatedly thinking on mistakes and doing mistakes. So failures may bring some sadness and worries. Recalling past failures is common cause of worry for adults. Your continuing frustrations may worry you, depending on luck. It may aggravate it. It may aggravate. Depending on luck, may aggravate it. Unnecessary fear may be cause of your worries, which may turn out to be baseless. You may later repent on spoiling so much time without any reason. So these are the causes of worries you must know so that you can control worries. Being too much concerned for future without caring for the present may aggravate your negative thoughts and anxieties. Job insecurity and unfavorable working conditions at workplace may be the cause of your troubled mind. Physical illness may cause concern to you. If you are sick, you may be worried about it. But if you go on thinking you are sick, your sickness will prevail and your sickness will be more. Have some strength within you. Think that you will regain it soon. Gossips may lead to worries. Being unable to avoid unconstant conversations in the back of someone and staying engaged in rumors are bad habits and it brings worries also. Relationship issues may cause worries. Breakdown of say a lovely relationship or breakdown of any relationship or minor misunderstanding, death of a near and dear one can cause lot of worries, can bring home lot of worries. Financial bad order, not getting salary, losing money on gambling like investment, too much on equity market, losing too much on equity market. This thing can cause worries. Remarks from haters, giving too much importance to what others are saying about you. It's not required, but if you are sentimental, it can bring worries to you. Aging may cause worries for reduced flexibility of body parts. But instead of being worrying for over few days, you do something and try to get rid of it. Comparing with others also may bring worry. Rather than counter blessings. Accidents due to your inadequate attention can bring worries. So remain alert and avoid hurt to you. Improper personality traits can also bring worries to you. Try to develop your personality. So always keep in mind, life is made up of few years. That means few days. And if you waste hundreds of days every year, how can you constructively work to improve your life and to keep your family members happy, who look up to you for your assistance? Then what to do to avoid worries and to reduce the existing conditions which cause trouble to you? In addition to being aware of the above factors and trying to avoid those situations, you may try to change your attitude and lifestyle to handle worries better. For example, give less importance to little things going out of control. Neglect getting up late or being late to go to bed on some days. Don't give too much of importance. Try to think what to do and try to do that. Whatever is gone is gone. Accept present lockdown period to be helpful to take up your hobbies instead of thinking, how can I manage? Give enough attention to your children and elderly people. Don't be too much tensed on anything beyond your control. And help family members as far as possible on household activities. Remain engaged. Have faith on God and pray to God for peace and prosperity at early morning, getting up from bed, after bath, and at evening before going to bed. This will keep you peaceful. Don't try to be perfect. Try to do better. Try to do right first time and with full concentration. Being always perfect is not required, it's a myth. Nothing is very perfect. Everything can be perfected, everything can be made better than that one over time. Don't bother about tiny social confrontations. Learn to tolerate and be patient. Take it easy as long as you are not at fault. Avoid abuse of alcohol, drugs, tobacco, and don't spoil your health. It will bring worries to you. Care for dress and personal hygiene. Remain happy, dress well, so smart. Image management is also very important. Forget trivial issues like absence of haircut every fortnight, sending emails, contacting over WhatsApp, telling lie or protect an innocent person. So telling lies to protect an innocent person, you may think, oh, what has happened? But thing is that these are trivial things. Be optimistic and agreeable. Trust people. Remain contented with whatever you possess. That simplicity is the best way to live. Be simple. Be kind-hearted. Remain contented with whatever you have. Count your blessings. Think that you have many things which many people do not have. Neglecting issues always may not be good strategy at time. You need to pay attention to some issues as follows. Repeated sickness, bad weather conditions. Okay, sometimes you may think that what has happened, learn the cause and take some action. Being unable to finish tasks at right time. Think on it, but don't bring too much worries. Chronic headache, sneezing, hair fall. You may go on thinking, what is happening, what is happening. So, not to worry too much, just think what has happened, take action, that's all. Transportation problems, age related memory loss. Sometimes you feel that I am not able to think, oh, wow, what was to be done at this specific time. This type of things happen, maybe due to a lot of pressure and tasks or something. Don't worry too much on these aspects. So handle your worries and live every moment of your life. Thank you. Wish you good life.